guys, today is the next day and we're going to get back to work on our Ford Explorer. The police intercepted it 2013 and had to go to the store and get some replacement spark plugs. We're going to go ahead and swap those out and see if we can get that misfire cylinder on cylinder 4 fix. It is unfortunate to do the backside spark plugs. The closeness of the intake manifold, I mean, that is tight, and that's just one of them. So, you know, there would be a second one in the middle and then a third one on the far right. So you're gonna have to take off this upper intake manifold, which is nice. At least it's in two pieces. This is the lower half, this is the upper half. There are 7 bolts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But yeah, just take your time, make sure to take pictures. It is very helpful to take pictures before you do it. You can even just rewind this video and screenshot it, but you'll have your throttle body control here. This is your evap canister return, and it just unplugs. As you can see, the throttle body, you just pull the red tab back and then you can push there. Not a big deal. You do have one more hose to disconnect there, and then we should be able to take the 7 and pop it off. It's the next day here on the Ford Explorer, and we ended up flashing the code several times over, and the cylinder 4 misfire keeps on coming back. So to diagnose it further, you can see I took the endoscope down into the cylinder and it looked like burnt oil in there. Not 100% convinced the rings are gone, so what I'm going to try next to do is replace the fuel injector. This could be the culprit, and I've got the 2015, the old one. It's a parts vehicle now, but I have 5 of the fuel injectors left over for it, so we're going to go ahead and swap one of those out and see if we can get that cylinder 4 misfire fixed. Now comes the moment of truth. We'll fire it up. We're going to watch very closely and make sure that we don't have any fuel leakage. So that is cylinder number 4. O2 sensor, catalyst. So those are the O2 sensors. That's all 3. Let's check pending. So O2. That's it. That fixed it. I'm going to erase codes. That's just O2 sensors, but yeah, buddy. All right. So fuel injector was it. That was the culprit. The AC back on. This thing's so much fun. Just with the coil pack and the spark plug alone, it helped a lot to curb some of that shudder and stuff. But I mean, it's been so much better already. Now with the fuel injector back, it should be good to go. Let's see how this bad boy rips. Yeah. That is so much fun. That was it. Cylinder 4 is fixed via the fuel injector. So don't lose hope with your engines. You could always run an endoscope down in there just to make sure, but if you want to be certain, just run all of your bases. I mean, you eliminate, process of elimination will definitely clear up any of your doubts if you have any. So spark plug, coil, and then last option is basically fuel injector. And if it's still having issues, just really consult it. You can also run a leak down test to see how the compression is in the cylinder, and that'll tell you if it's going to be the valve system up top in the head, or if it's going to be the spark plugs or the piston rings down below. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. It would mean the world to me if you guys stuck around for the next video as we finish this, because I got police badging to take off next, and there's going to be a lot more coming out on this. This is all-wheel drive, and this thing is so much fun. Oh my god.